Today we're making slow cooker chicken tacos. 3, 2, don't pull on his shirt. What just happened? Doing it in the cast iron. If you're like me, then you have a whole pack of chicken that's Best By date is today. These are really lazy tacos. Lazy tacos are weird. I'm gonna throw some vegetable oil, 6 pounds of chicken. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of a chimichurri seasoning. Then I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of tahini. You dumped water on him? Half stick of butter. And lastly, 1 10-ounce can of red enchilada sauce. Don't throw that box at him. I agree, it's been a really long day. Then cover it and bake it in the oven at 350 for about 6 hours. What?
About 5 or 7.
5 or 7 hours? Let's see what happens. It's been 4 hours. Ooh.
Dad, you're the one drawing it, so we're fat. Everywhere.
Great.
Now, what color is the furnace here?
Maybe green?
It just has our mystery knife was green.
Okay. Now that this is cooked for 4 hours, I'm gonna take my tongs and shred it.
Actually, the water for mystery cod. Then we're called green bush.
Jeez.
Oh. Dad, no. Is it gonna be spicy?
Nope, not spicy, just regular. This was done a lot faster than I thought it was gonna be. And I just had lunch, so I'm not super hungry.
This door, kitchen door closes. Then that should have. So we can buy a tent now on our pit a number down.
Okay. I know I said I just ate, but this is so good. It's gonna be really good for tacos, enchiladas, just rice and beans, on top of a salad. The possibilities with this are endless.